Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can view all the startup programs and applications or software that you have in your device, whether it's a Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Okay, so let's get started. So here we will be looking for a setting, so we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go click on settings, or just by making a click here in our Windows icon and then you can click on the settings option here, or again you can also search it in the Windows search tab and type settings, and you will see under best match the settings option. So here we will go with this last way. So once you're in the settings window, all you need to do is to go to the apps. You will find that option in the left pane of your screen right after personalization. So here, please click on the apps option, and for the Windows 10 devices user, you will see another option here that says startup in the left pane, but for the Windows 11 user, you will see startup option here under apps option, and for the Windows 10 user, you will see startup option right inside the or right under the apps option. So once you click on apps, that's the only way you will see the startup option. So this is for Windows 10 users. So here, apps that start automatically when you sign in. So please click on that, and then you will see here all the startup that you have enabled in the or all the applications that you have enabled during the startup. So apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start minimize or may only start a background task. So in here, all you need to do is just, if you want a certain application to be enabled during startup, all you need to do is to click on this button here. Once you see that this is off, then just click on it and it will be turned on. Okay? And for example, if you want to disable a certain application that you don't want to be associated during startup, all you need to do is just, if you see this turned on, then just click on it again and then it will be turned off. Okay, so that's a very easy process. So you can do the same process with all the applications that you want to be enabled or disabled. Just click this button here, on or off button here. Okay, so that's it. That's a very short process and a very short tutorial. So I hope you learned something from it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye bye.